Hi, this is Melissa Wong, and it is Saturday, 15th, 1:40 in the morning at 148 Heats Hearts, 148 Alexander Avenue, Hartsdale, New York. I'm doing this recording because of that, the chirping. It's really weird to me that if something's chirping like that, that the battery is not showing up or blinking. Yes, it's definitely this one. So I'm going to attempt to take out the battery to replace it with a new one, but you can see it's not blinking or doing anything like that. It looks normal, but it's making this sound. Seems abnormal to me.